Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website using which you can create logos using AI. You might be knowing a website called Midjourney, which is an artificial intelligence platform using which you can create logos. So it needs a premium subscription for around $11 per month. You will be able to get a premium subscription and create these logos. If you ask me, that is worth the money that you spend, because if you hire a person to do the logo in websites like Fiverr, they will charge you around $20 to $30, and you won't be able to get the amount of customization you want with this. Here you will get more options. You can create your own versions, and you will get a lot of variety too. So let's look at some of the Midjourney logos and prompts. So if you see here in this website, it says design a practical pictorial logo for mountain peak adventures using a mountain peak to symbolize exploration and adventure. So it is saying create a pictorial logo for mountain peak adventure featuring a mountain peak symbolizing spirit of exploration and adventure. So it has created this logo. So next logo is a logo, create a pictorial logo for Firebird Music Studio, featuring a Firebird Phoenix to represent rebirth and transformative power of music. So this will be design a pictorial logo for Firebird Music Studio using a Firebird representing rebirth and the transformative power of music. See, you see here, this has been represented using this. Now you see Crescent Moon Bakery. So it's saying create a pictorial logo for Crescent Moon Bakery with a crescent moon and bread to represent warm, fresh baked goods every night. So this is in the shape of bread. Now if you see all these two logos, you see some text here. The problem when we do it in Midjourney is that it won't be able to control the text that has been input here. The machine learning model messes up with the text, so it won't be able to you won't be able to get the right text here. So usually what happens is that, and what designers do is who use AI tools like Midjourney, they take these images out, they edit it out in Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. So the name, whatever is required, is taken out, and they edit it. Only the pictorial part of the image is usually used. So now let's look at few more. Safari photography. So create a professional landscape or wild animal silhouette to capture the adventurous essence of the brand. So you see here, this is what it is. Now this is about creating a pictorial logo for Butterfly Beauty Salon, featuring a beautiful butterfly representing transformation and beauty. Now best Midjourney prompts for logo for various services, financial services. So now this is again one more logo. Design a letter form for Alpha Financial Services, focusing on the letter A to symbolize the brand's leadership in financial services. So this is again Zephyr Finance, Zephyr Fashion. Now I'm showing you a variety of logos so that you get prompt ideas to generate this in Midjourney, and I will finally show you another tool using which you can generate logos along with the text. So here, if you do it with Midjourney, you will not get the text in the correct format. You will have to take out the text, you take out the image and add the text. So you see more examples here. You see this one, create an emblem logo for Lionheart Football Club featuring a lion's face and a football to highlight the team's courage and young sportsman spirit or sports spirit. So let's take this and put this, and you can put this in a Midjourney bot here, and you can say create a logo emblem for Lionheart Football Club featuring a roaring lion space and a football to highlight the team's courage and sports spirit, and say create an emblem premium logo. Okay, let's see how it comes out. Now when you send it to Midjourney bot will create those images for you. So now it's creating it. Now within Midjourney, what you can see is it is creating those images. So it will take some time. So when it get created, it will show up there. So before that, I'll show you few more prompts. So you see here, create an emblem logo for Eagle Eye Security. So this looks premium, using an eagle's eye and a shield, emphasizing the company's focus on vigilance and protection. So these are beautiful logos. This is what I wanted to show you as examples. So these are other examples. You can see here a character logo for Bumblebee Flower Shop. So this is Penguin logo for ice cream. Owl Bookstore. This is Owl Bookstore. Rocket Pizza Delivery. Rocket Pizza Delivery. So you see the prompt here. Design a character logo for Rocket Pizza Delivery with a rocket character delivering a hot pizza to signify speedy service and delicious food. So if you try to ask a designer to do this, this will cost around $50 to $100. Now you see here, create an emblem logo. So this, out of this, this one looks very good according to me. So let me say this is U1, U2, U3, U4. If I want to this one, I am selecting U4. Now it will select the fourth one. Now if you want to save this, you can enlarge it, open it in a new tab, and you can save it. And now if you want to upsize it or upscale it, you can use various online upscalers to upscale it so that it is more clear and the quality is not lost. And if you want to vectorize it, you can copy the image and vectorize images. There is tools to vectorize images. Vectorize images online. Let me see if it is there. Online image vectorizer. So if you put an image here, so it's asking me to drop an image here. So if you save that image and upload it here, it will vectorize it. There are tools where you can copy paste also. So this is again say Control plus V. So automatically convert, right? It converts image. So now I just did a Control plus V here. Now if you see here, this is the image that I put in here. So it is vectorizing this image. So once it is vectorized, even after I zoom in to any level, the quality of the image will never be lost. So that is the power of vectorizing the image. So once you vectorize the image, you can split up all these parts in Adobe Illustrator. If you export it as an Adobe Illustrator file and open it in Adobe Illustrator, you should be able to get all the elements separately. So if you see here, right, now if you see both the sides, you see this is pixelating, but this is not pixelating. So that is the power of vectorizing. Now once it is done, I can see download results. It will come as an SVG file or a PDF. So we should go for SVG, and that you can EPS file also is there. You can open this in Adobe Illustrator and do it. So that is how you can manage your final logo. Now coming back to the Discord, this is where Midjourney is. So these are the various logos that you have seen here. Now let me show you more logos here. Pulse Fitness, Infinity Consulting. So now let me go back to another site. Let me close these things. This site is called Ideogram. Here you can create logos similar to that you create in Midjourney, and it is free. Here you can say with the text. If you say with the text, it will print exactly what you have mentioned. So now I am saying create a premium logo for an online marketplace using recycled goods. Create a premium logo for an online marketplace using recycled goods. With the text, I'm saying this particular text. Shilpakar. Shilpakar. Create a premium logo for an online marketplace using recycled good with the text Shilpakar. So now if I say enter, now I'm gonna say enter. So it's gonna create a logo with the exact text that you mentioned, that is Shilpakar. But if you do that, the same thing in Midjourney, it won't work. So that is the difference that you have in this tool. So if you go here and check the other creations, you can see what text that they have used. I can show that to you. These are various creations. Now if you see our creation, it is getting created. Now you see the exact word, Shilpakar Recycle Market, Shilpakar Online Marketplace, Shilpakar Recycled and Goods. Right? Now if you want to remove, create a premium logo with for an online marketplace. For online marketplace using recycled goods with the text Shilpakar only. If I say Shilpakar only, with only so now I can create it, but it is asking me to wait because I am in a basic plan of Ideogram. If you are upgrading to a better plan, you can do that much faster here. So you see here 25 prompts per day in slow sequence or queue, 7 USD per month. You can do this. So private generation is also possible only for Ideogram and Plus and Pro members. So using this tool, you'll be able to create logos with actual text, and you can use the prompts that I have showed you earlier. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.